So I've got a foundation row for the Tunisian reverse stitch prepared now. So Tunisian reverse stitch, just to recap, is worked into the back vertical bar. So we're going to go from right to left under the back vertical bar, yarn over and pull up a loop. So I will work one row together with you, and then I work few more rows to be able to compare the Tunisian reverse stitch with its modifications. Now we are on to extended Tunisian reverse stitch. So we need to start the row with the chain 1 again. We'll work the standard Tunisian reverse stitch and add a chain. Again, we are going to go under the back vertical bar, yarn over, pull up a loop and chain 1, and we repeat this for each stitch in the row. We are working the end stitch, adding chain 1, and then chain 1 and yarn over, pull through 2 for the return pass. Welcome back to where we're going to look at the locked Tunisian reverse stitch. So as per the standard version, we are going to go under the back vertical bar, and then according to how we worked the other stitches, we are going to be locking it into the chain section of the return pass. We are going to go into the back horizontal bar, so this gets a little fiddly there, yarn over and pull up a loop. Okay, so let's work another one together to the back vertical and back horizontal, yarn over and pull up a loop. And we will work standard return pass. So I'm going to go ahead and work a few more rows of the locked reverse Tunisian reverse stitch, and I'll meet you in a moment to compare all three versions. Welcome back. We are going to compare the three versions of Tunisian reverse stitch. So as you can see, the basic version has got a nice texture, which you can substitute Tunisian pearl stitch in some patterns. With Tunisian reverse stitch, if you would like the bumps to be more pronounced. Now when we look at extended Tunisian reverse stitch, you can see again it's a bit wider and it has got more flow to it. It's more lacy as in the previous versions as well, so you can use this stitch for lace patterns. And looking at the locked version, this is much tighter. It doesn't have the bounce that the other version have. It's not as wide because we are locking the stitches, so we are pulling the fabric together. But strangely, it has got some lace structure there, as you can see. And the ridges where the chains are of the return pass are again more pronounced.